Change the game, understanding the phrase in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and commonly used phrase, change the game. This phrase is not just about sports or games, but it has a deeper meaning in everyday English. Let's dive in and understand what it really means and how you can use it in your conversations. Firstly, let's break down the literal meaning of change the game. As the word suggests, it involves altering or transforming a game. In sports, this could mean changing the rules or the way the game is played. However, in English, this phrase is often used metaphorically. When we use change the game metaphorically, it means to completely transform the way something is done, thought about, or made. It implies a significant shift in approach or strategy that changes a situation dramatically. This can be applied to business, technology, personal life, or any field where innovative thinking leads to a big impact. Let's look at some examples to understand it better. In business, the introduction of smartphones changed the game in mobile technology. In personal growth, adopting a positive mindset can change the game in how you face life's challenges. In social context, the new law changed the game for environmental protection. When you use change the game in your conversations, it shows that you are aware of a significant shift or transformation. You can use it to express admiration for someone's innovative ideas or strategies. For example, her new approach to teaching really changed the game in our school. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, change the game, confidently in your English conversations. It's a powerful phrase that conveys the idea of transformation and innovation. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be changing the game in your English language learning journey.